Hello guys, good afternoon madlang people. This is siusa Balayan. Working with my dog. Oops. May trolley guys kasi bawal siya dito sa building namin. So, ang ganda ng flower. Yes, kasi summer naman dito sa Hong Kong. Yun. My yellow. Anong pangalan nga nito? And red. So, now I need to let my dog. Aray. Go down. Go down. Go down or go out. So just wait. The building is to how many floor I think is Laguna City. So now I'm going to let my dog out from the trolley. Okay, come on. His name is siusa. Shiba. So now we start to walk and walk. This is my daily routine, morning and afternoon. Ang init kasi guys, even though na init, kailangan nating labas. Kasi yun ang trabaho ng mga ng OFW na may alagang aso. So, aray, too init. So we go from there. So dito kami lakad. So, need my key. Okay, come on. So init, guys. With my dog. Doggy. Oh. Doggy. Oh. Okay, guys. Like, so sweet. We're there. Naglalakad din siya. Uyan na kasi galing sa trabaho. Yun. Dito ako mag-ikot-ikot. Bye po now guys kasi may ito din may mga aso. Yun.